let's have a look at the segmental flexion extension core. So we're going to do a crunch, a standing crunch and a standing cobra. So you're going to use the rings. If you've only got the towel set up, by all means just use that. You're not putting a whole lot of weight into the rings or the towel. You just got that for a spot. So you want to keep those lower abs active. Now, depending on how healthy your spine is and how stable it is, will determine how far back you go. As you go down, the knees shoot forward. So you've got that loading through the quads, through the patella tendon, through the hip flexors, into those lower abs, and then you're going to work your way up. Into the neck. Now, you don't have to go so far, you can just do it here. And you're really going to challenge the muscles through there. If you go further, so the head's the last to come back, breathing in, breathing out. And you can go right back, right down and really challenge that core. But I highly recommend you don't go too far, just work on trying to feel all the muscles work and try and feel the spine unroll and roll up. You don't need to force it. For the reverse of that, just got the standing cobra, and you're going to work through and find your range of motion in your hamstrings where you can maintain that arch, and that's your end point there. Then you're going to go, or your starting point, you're going to come right down, hit the bottom, find where you can get to comfortably, then you're going to arch up. So the eyes lead. As you go down, the eyes will trail. So you want to feel one segment at a time, and you're going to keep a tempo that's nice and smooth. 4 breaths per minute. So you're going to breathe in for 5 as you go into extension, breathe out for 5 as you go into flexion, hold the breath out in the crunch. When you come up out of the forward bend, you're going to breathe in into that cobra, breathe out into the flexed position, and then you're going to hold that breath out until the next rep. So let's get this timer going. We've just got 6 1-minute intervals. We're going to use the breath with the movement. 4 breaths per minute, nice and smooth. Use the rings, just get enough support there. Knees shoot forward. Control. Exhale, come up. And make it harder, keep more weight in the knees. So you're going to get 1 rep every 15 seconds. Remember to work with the range that's good for you, don't force it. It's quite hard on the quads, so if you need to, come up, have a little bit of a rest through there, and come back down. Intense. So here, find that range, work with your body. So you find that hamstring range, exhale, come down, inhale, come up. Exhale, come down. Squeeze out of it. In as you come up. Draw those quads up. If you're up here, that's okay. Just work with your body, work with the range. One more rep. Inhale, come up, 1 segment at a time. Really feel every segment in the spine working. Exhale, come down. Traction that spine up. Let's get into this next round. Make it feel good. Work with the tissues. Breathing in. Hold that breath out. Breathing in. reps. In. Shake out the legs if you need to. One more. Let's get these cobras going. Find that range that's good for you. Inhale. Hit that in range. Reverse that curve. Exhale. Traction out the spine. Exhale through the nose. Inhale. Pick one vertebra up at a time. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Feel those hamstrings work throughout. Feel that lower back work. Make it feel good. Alright. Last round. Drive those knees forward. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Remember to shake the legs out if you need to. If you can't go that far back, don't force it, just find where it feels good. One more rep. Last one of these, find that M range, work with the body. Exhale, come down. Inhale, come up. Exhale, come down. Spine traction out. Remember to soften the knees if you need to. Work with your body. Find the version that's right for you. Last rep. Awesome. Great work, guys. So you just want to get that nice 6 minutes of loading. If you can do that with your core work. If you have any spinal challenges, I highly recommend doing 6 minutes of core work for your low back every day. Or if it's your neck, work on that. Make it more stable with the low level exercises that get that nice tonic postural response that you're after to stabilize those joints. So keep at it. Get the body very healthy, enjoy your life, and I'll see you soon.